Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $37 every 30 minutes just for watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video on all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Swing Bucks. So it says here, get paid every 15 seconds. And they're trusted and sustainable. And you just click right here to register. So it says right here, earn money for free with multiple ways. So they have view ads, and they pay 3 cents per click. I know that's a low amount, but it don't take that long to view the ads, guys. And they also have click grid. On there, you can win up to 1,000 directly into your account balance. And what we're talking about today, which is watch videos, so you can watch YouTube videos and get paid for that. And you can also complete offers if you want to make even more money. So complete offers that pay and earn points. Then they have an affiliate system where you can refer members and make money that way also. Now here are the members benefits. So earn up to 3 cents per click, earn up to 2 cents per sign up, earn up to $20 per referral upgrade, and they have upgrade plans and safest, easiest way to earn online. Now they have paid out $25,131.40 to their 144,630 registered members. Now what I'm going to show you guys is how you're going to earn money. So we're going to click right here where it says earn money. And since we're talking about watching videos, we're going to click right there where it says view ads. So this is how the ads are going to look. So when you're in your account, you're going to see these ads right here that you can click on. And right here, I know it's low, guys. It's a low amount, but it's going to add up. 1 cent. So when you view this ad, you're going to make 1 cent. And this one right here, same thing, 1 cent. Most of them are like 1 cent. Some of them are like 2 cents, 3 cents, or even more. But the more you do, the higher the amount will be. And like I said before, all you're going to do is just view an ad for a few minutes, and you're going to earn that money. So they got standard ads, they got daily ads, they have micro ads, they have light swing ads. So they have all these different type of ads you can view every day and make some money. Now, if you want to do these other tasks right here, you can. And like I said earlier, they have a referral program, so you can make some money that way. And they also have a PTC wall, so you can make some money that way also. Okay guys, I want to show you one other thing. So we're going to click right here where it says frequently asked questions. It's going to take you to this page. So what you guys probably want to find out is the payment. So what type of payment platforms you need to use to get paid. So it says right here, which payment processors you use. So they use Payoneer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM. So you would need one of these payment platforms to get paid, guys. So they don't have PayPal on here, but Payoneer is very popular and Perfect Money is very popular, and of course Bitcoin, which if you have a Bitcoin account, you can convert that into cash. So I'm not going to look at any one of these other frequently asked questions. I just want to let you know how you're going to get paid and what type of payment platform you need. So if you're interested in making some money watching videos on this site, go ahead and go to swingbucks.com, sign up, and get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, one more thing I want to do before I leave. I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos. Keep hitting that like button. If you're sharing my videos, keep sharing. Help this channel to grow. Okay guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. We're so close. Let's get there before the end of this month of February. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.